Hi there, I'm Bea, a mixed media artist. Join me as I explore art and creativity, one project at a time. Well, hello everybody, welcome back to my studio. So glad you joined me today. I hope you are all doing well and you get inspired by our videos. If I'm talking about I'm talking about Marie from Sweden, aka Mixed Creativity by Marie. We both together we do mood boards for the Facebook group Bea's Mixed Media More. Each month one of us does a mood board provide, and then we have obviously the videos we share, so you get a little push to work a little bit, maybe a little hint of an idea which things you really would like to do. Talking is sometimes difficult in the morning. It's pretty early for me, just saying. Anyway, back to the page. This time it was my mood board again. There is a picture in there, actually this one, and I wanted to try since a while to do a transfer with inkjet printer. That's what I did here. The photo is actually from, I believe it is from Neuschwanstein, where I have been with some American friends a while ago, and at least it is from this area. There are a lot of castles around there. So I did take a picture, but obviously I did alter it with some filters in Photoshop just to make it more mystical, something like that. Anyway, that's what I used as a starting point, and then there is this quote also: find the magical place in your world and live there. And I did use this as a starting point for my ideas. So I did sketch in some rough figures, and of course, because it is a castle, somebody needed a crown, so that was my inspiration for this page. Color wise, I did use the Nickel Azo by Golden and Burnt Umber. That's all I used. No, that's not true. I also did use the Red Oxide. So that's all what I used in acrylic paints, but then I also did use several pencils until I was happy. I did switch between two pencils. As always, there is going to be a list of the ingredients on my blog or down below in the description. And again, it is a time lapse, and if you have any further questions, just leave them down below in the comments. And while we are at, maybe hit also the subscribe button. I really appreciate each one of you, and I'm looking forward to see you again in the next video. Take care. Bye.